Jesus, a central figure in Christianity, is known for his profound teachings that emphasize love, compassion, and transformation. His message goes beyond religious dogma and rituals, focusing on the power of love and the transformation of consciousness. Jesus is often described as an enlightened being who possessed a deep understanding of spiritual truths. His teachings were characterized by a profound connection to the divine and a mastery of the energy of love. According to spiritual teachings, Jesus' ability to perform miracles was a result of his heightened consciousness and spiritual awareness. These miracles were expressions of his deep connection to the universal energy. One of Jesus' core teachings was the recognition of the innate divinity within each individual. He encouraged people to connect with their higher selves and recognize their own power. His message emphasized unity, interconnectedness, and treating others with love and respect. Some perspectives suggest that Jesus operated outside conventional notions of time. This view allows for a deeper understanding of his teachings and actions, such as his resurrection being seen as a symbol of spiritual ascension and transformation. The concept of Jesus' resurrection is often interpreted as a metaphor for humanity's potential to transcend limitations and move beyond the physical realm. It symbolizes spiritual ascension and a transformative journey. Jesus' teachings are considered both personal and universal. They invite individuals to explore their inner selves, connect with their spirituality, and cultivate a deeper sense of love and compassion. Jesus' teachings continue to inspire millions of people worldwide. His emphasis on love, compassion, and unity has left a lasting legacy that transcends religious boundaries and resonates with seekers of spiritual truth. Don't forget to subscribe for more spiritual content.